You are now watching The Story Box.
Samsung is a global technology company that has been at the forefront of innovation for decades. The company was founded in 1938 by Lee Byung-chul in Daegu, Korea. At the time, Samsung was a small trading company that specialized in selling groceries and noodles. However, the company soon expanded into other areas, such as textiles and insurance. In the 1960s, Samsung made a strategic decision to enter the electronics industry. The company started producing black and white televisions, which quickly became popular in Korea. Samsung then expanded its product line to include other electronics, such as refrigerators and air conditioners. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Samsung continued to innovate in the electronics industry. The company introduced its first mobile phone in 1988, which was a huge success in Korea. Samsung also became a major player in the semiconductor industry, producing memory chips and processors for computers. In the early 2000s, Samsung became one of the world's largest producers of mobile phones. The company's Galaxy series of smartphones became incredibly popular around the world, and Samsung continued to innovate in other areas, such as virtual reality and smartwatches. Today, Samsung is a global technology powerhouse with operations in over 80 countries. The company is still headquartered in Korea and is run by Lee Jae-yong, the grandson of the founder. Here are 5 fascinating facts about Samsung. Samsung is the largest manufacturer of memory chips in the world, producing over 30% of the global supply. Samsung is the second largest smartphone maker in the world, behind only Apple. Samsung produces everything from televisions to refrigerators to washing machines. Samsung has a massive research and development budget, spending over $15 billion on R&D in 2020 alone. Samsung is a major investor in emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and 5G networks. Samsung's history is a testament to the power of innovation and the importance of taking risks. From a small trading company to a global technology powerhouse, Samsung has shown that anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and a commitment to innovation. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the Story Box.